Annabelle, who do you love?
Cheese.
Cheese? No, I'm not taking a picture. Who do you love?
Cheese.
Who do you love?
Cheese.
Do you love Daddy?
Cheese.
Do you love Mommy?
Yeah.
Do you love James?
Uh-huh.
Who do you love?
Cheese.
James, get out of there. You love who?
Cheese.
Say James.
Cheese. Who loves me?
Who do you love?
It's me.
Aww. Are you giving him a hug? Aww. What are you guys doing?
We're playing.
Annabelle, what are you doing?
We're
Oh, no. Now what are you doing?
now it's dragging me out of my bed.
Yep, right there. Ow. What are you doing, Annabelle? Oh, no. Annabelle. Annabelle, what's your favorite thing to say?
Cheese.
No.
No, but it loves to say cheese.
You like to say cheese? I thought you liked to say, oh, no.
Cheese.
Oh. Oh, no. Annabelle won't say, oh, no anymore. Where's... Can you blow yourself a raspberry? All right, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.